Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to safely replace, remove, install, troubleshoot and fix your stereo in your Mercedes. This is an easy process. Overheard a customer at Mercedes complaining that their stereo system was just turning on, showing the icon, showing the display, and then shutting off. And they told her it was like 3 to 4 hours worth of labor, and the price, the price, unbelievable. I'm going to show you how to do this yourself, save you a ton load of money, and all I want you to do is like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Let's get started. So to remove this stereo system, I'm going to start off by using a Torx 20, and we're going to focus our attention down below a little bit. So zooming out, we're going to get that Torx 20 right there, one on the left and one on the right. We're going to zoom in, take those out. That's the left. Grab the right one now. Slide it out, close this down, slide it out. Screws are inside. We're going to disconnect this cable right here, connecting cable, and we do that by depressing that clip. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and just depress this and then pull this out. Disconnects this whole module. Get that out of the way. Focus our attention back up at the top where we need to then reach under here with our 2 fingers, one on each side, and depress some clips and press up and pull just like that, then slide down and pull out. And then I'm gonna zoom in. First one that I'm gonna remove is this one. So I'm gonna press down on this, slide that off, pull that out. That's the right side. Press down on this one too, right here. It's a little clip. Slide this down, slide this out. Then I'm gonna squeeze and press that connection. Same thing with this one. This one's down on the other side here. Pop that out. Get this module out of the way completely. So now these harnesses, just gonna put them out of the way for now right there. Now using the same Torx 20, on the left you see this silver column here, and on the right the same silver column here with screws inside of them. Torx 20, same Torx 20. Gonna remove it. Don't mix these screws up with the others, they're different. Now we're gonna focus on the right side. Now taking a flathead screwdriver or even your finger, you're then gonna slide this column down like that. Slide that one down. And then same thing on the right side. You're gonna slide this one down like that. Once you slid that out, you will then slide the radio module completely out, exposing the radio and all of the connections. A lot of times these radios shut off because they overheat, and I have in front of me a little vac that I'm gonna now vacuum the fan out. This fan is used to cool down the radio, as well as this fan here. And I'm gonna vacuum out all the vents. I always like to look around all the other harnesses that's in there. Make sure everything's clean, make sure there's no dust, webs from spiders or anything like that. Alright. This antenna here is your GPS antenna, satellite, AM, FM. Okay. And then down below is your actual harness. Okay. Your harness has your speakers, your power, your fiber optic lines right here, in and out. Fiber optics. And so if you're going to change this, we'd unplug each of these. I suggest unplugging them one at a time, plugging them into your new unit, and then putting it back together. These all plug out by depressing these little clips right here. Do it carefully so you don't break anything. These are a real pain in the butt to replace if you damage them. So just take your time, squeeze, and pull off one by one. Yellow at the bottom, black at the top, blue to the far left. This harness is hard to mess up. Once you're done doing so, you will then take your unit, without turning it on, slide it back into position. Alright? German cars, Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, all of them do a really good job in precision fitment. They slide right in like that. We're going to then take our screwdriver, zoom in to the necessary part, and when I say necessary part, these two levers, left and right, and we're going to slide it up, left side first, all the way up, and do the same for the right side, all the way up. We're going to then take those two Torx 20 screws for this Mercedes ML 350 Torx 20, and we're going to put them in left side first, then the right side. Get it started by hand. Next, we're going to put back in our air conditioning control module for this ML350 Mercedes, and we're going to start off by grabbing our harness wires. And guys, you didn't have to disconnect this. I did it just so that we would be clean. Alright, so taking the air conditioning module, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the base fitting that we removed earlier. Only goes one way, so let's plug that in. Goes in with a nice click. Then we're going to connect this as well. This is the power. Then once those two are in with a nice clicking sound, we're going to start off by connecting the left side of this module. Make sure that clip is all the way to the base like that. Push it down like that, and it'll slide right in. Same thing with this side. Push it right in like this, and then push it down, sliding this guy all the way up like that. Then once those are connected up, we're going to take it, slide this silver ridge up a little bit underneath the radial bezel mount, and then we're going to snap this down, taking our thumbs on both sides and pressing in, and that silver ridge should be visible. Clean fit. Next, we're going to take the power cable that we disconnected from the cigarette lighter. We're going to plug that in. Turn it back over so we can see what we're doing. Slide it like that. Slide it. Taking our Torx 20 fitting with the screw. Hold on to it. Get it all the way down in there. Don't over tighten that, by the way. Then we're going to focus our attention with the same Torx 20 for this Mercedes cigarette lighter. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.